Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing great. In today's video I'm going to show you a very super easy way to create dewy lips. So let's get started. So the first product is it's a matte lipstick in the shade Mandarin Moves. The second product is a concealer from Urban Decay. It is a very light shade compared to my skin tone. The shade is light warm. The third product is Chanel lip gloss, raw cocoa gloss. The shade number is 728. So guys, first of all I apply the concealer to the philtrum area of my lips. The reason I use a very light shade is to create a highlight effect. I apply the concealer to the upper right and left border of my lips. Then I apply it to the bottom right and left borders. I don't cover the entire border, just a specific parts. Now I apply the Sephora lipstick to the middle part of my lips. Focus on the cupid's bow and the middle of the lower lip. Now it's the time to blend. I started with a small brush. Blending helps to soften the edges. Then I switch to a bigger brush. While using the big brush, I close my lips and blend around the lip border. Now I blend the lipstick with a brush. You can use your finger too, but I prefer started with a brush for more control. The main part is applying the lipstick to my cupid's bow. The lipstick is very pigmented, so I use just a little and blend it with my finger. Finally guys, I apply my favorite Chanel lip gloss. The gloss adds a shiny dewy finish. You can use any lip gloss, making the lips look plump and hydrate. It's the perfect final touch to complete the dewy lip look. And that's it. This is the final look. If I missed anything, let me know in the comments. If you have any other questions, feel free to ask in the comments. Please consider subscribing, and if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. See you in the next one. Bye guys.